welcome to Joyful Kids. My name is Carla, and today we have a special video about this book, Rain, Rain, Go Away. I want to go inside this book today and use some of our rainy day rain gear words. So let's jump into this book. Rain, rain, go away. I want to look inside our book one more time. What can we find? Can we find raincoat? Can we find rain boots? Can we find rain clouds? Oh. Shall we look for rain clouds first? Okay, so if you see rain clouds, then can you say rain clouds with a big voice? The big voice, can you say rain clouds? 1, 2, rain clouds. That's right. So let's look in our book. Do you see rain clouds? Let's look. Oh, what do you see? Blue, blue, blue. Rain clouds! That's right. Look, rain clouds. I see gray rain clouds. Wow, good job. You found it. That was fast. Oh, do you see? Rain clouds. That's right. I still see rain clouds. Good job. Next page. Oh. I don't see rain clouds. Not in this picture. Nope, nope, nope. Next. Rain clouds! Do you see rain clouds? Is it cloudy outside the window? I think so. I think it's cloudy. Rain clouds! Next. Nope, nope, nope. I see the sun. No rain clouds. What here? Nope, nope, nope. No rain clouds. And oh, no rain clouds. Next. Still, no rain clouds. Next. Rain clouds! Good job! Nice big voice. Rain clouds! So many rain clouds. And rain clouds! Yay! Good job, good job. We found lots of rain clouds in our book. Shall we check one more thing? How about we check for raincoat? Yes, raincoats. Let's look in our book. If you see raincoat, in a big voice, say raincoat. Okay? Raincoat. Let's start. Ha! Raincoat! Did you say it? Did you see it? Raincoat! That's right. On the cover, our friends are wearing raincoats. Good job. Raincoat. Over here. Nope. I don't see raincoat. How about next page? No raincoats here either. Still no raincoats. Okay. Raincoat? Oh, no raincoats. Not yet. No raincoats. Oh no. Nope. Raincoat? No, I don't see it. No. No raincoat. Raincoat! Raincoat! I see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raincoats! That's right. We found 4. 4 raincoats. Yay! Finally! Raincoats! How about next page? Ta-da! Raincoats! Yay! Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 raincoats! Yay! We found them! And raincoats! Yay! We found 1, 2 more raincoats. Yay! Good job! Thank you for looking for raincoats and rain clouds with me. That was fun. Next time, if you go outside, you can look. Can you find umbrellas? Can you find rain hats? Can you find rain boots? You can look for those things. Thank you for jumping in to Rain, Go Away. We had fun looking for rain clouds and raincoats. That's right. Now you can look again. What else can you find? Rain hats? Umbrellas? How about the sun? You can look for anything inside the book. So, thank you for joining me. I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, ding ding ding, and tell your friends. That's right. So they can join us for another video next time. So, thank you for watching again, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.